Hey guys, this is surprise birthday gift for my brother. Let us surprise him. He's sleeping in the hall. Just now I received it from Amazon. Anna, hey, happy birthday.
ఏంటిది?
చూడు.
ఎవరు పంపించారు?
అజయ్ మామ.
అసలు ఏముంది?
మనకేం తెలుసు, అన్బాక్సింగ్ చేస్తే తెలుసు.
సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ రియలీ సర్ప్రైజ్ టు మీ. థ్యాంక్స్ మామ. సో లెట్ us see what's there in this. Hi guys, so this is Sai Charan Malyala. And how is not in her. So first of all, happy new year 2021, and also thank you for wishing me on my birthday. So last clip, as you have seen, that was recorded by my brother. So as I was in sleep, so he received this courier from delivery boy. So I don't know what is there in this. So this was really a surprise to me on my birthday. So without taking much time, let's open this. So I am opening this now. Ta-da! Wow, OnePlus Nord 5G mobile. Wow, really amazing. Thank you, Ajay Mama. Let us open this beast, OnePlus Nord 5G. So I am opening this beast. So, I am seeing first time Nord mobile. So I use OnePlus 7, but I didn't see. Sorry, this packing is really good. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Tang! Yo! This way, Nord. I have to once open this cover. Before that, let us see what are all the things given in this box. So I am keeping this aside. So this is mobile compartment. So still anything there in this? Yeah. Wow, this pouch is really good compared to the one which they give for OnePlus previous mobiles, previous edition mobiles. So there is some design like this. So okay, and in these not stickers and quick start guide, safety information. Wow, Red Cable Club card is given in this membership card, and some information regarding the mobile. So I'm keeping this aside again. So let us see what. So this is a SIM ejector pin is there here itself. So this is a 30 watt warp charger. So this is a fast charger, and I like this texture, white and red. So this is a C type cable, C to USB cable. Okay, so not C to C type. So usually most of the phones nowadays coming C to C type. So this is C to USB 3.2. So anything else? Yeah, nothing. So packing is really good. I can give it around 9.5 out of 10. I am opening this mobile OnePlus 5G. So OnePlus Nord 5G. So this specs of this is 12 GB RAM, 256 GB internal memory. Wow. Yeah, this is the mobile from the front side, and this is from back side. So I am turning it on. Wow, OnePlus. I will be back after all this setup.
2,000 years later.
Primary setup is done for now. So I'm turning it on. Wow. So OnePlus Nord 5G mobile finally in my hands. Screen is very smooth. So camera for this mobile is really cool, and UI is butter smooth. I loved it, man. Thank you for this surprise gift. So I am keeping this back pause to this. Let us check how it looks. So it looks even better with this. I like the design of this pouch very much. So thank you for this, and I also wish you once again a very happy new year 2021. A very good set of videos are coming on your way. Hope you all love them, and also you will be helpful through them, and expecting a great and a huge support from you all. And see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.